In the meantime, Deadpool's in the shop, working on the dark side duster, doing a little bit of spark plug maintenance. Got the new spark plugs that'll be here next Tuesday. Ain't no rush because we ain't got nothing else to do. It's about to be track season, good weather. So we'll get that ready to take this thing down the drag strip for the first time in Alabama. Hopefully next weekend. Other project is tightening up the shifter because this whole thing moves on you when you're shifting, and that's scary as hell. So I want to get that replaced because going down the track and having this whole thing move on you is scary. But for the time being, I'm just going to tighten it up on those nuts. All right, tightened it up a little bit, but definitely want to get 4 bolts in the trans tunnel instead of 2 on the next shifter. I don't really like that, but get what you get. And I figured out what I did wrong with the attached steering wheel. It's worm gear in the inside that I didn't order last time from NRG. I need to get that, and I can do the detached steering wheel again, and it'll make getting in and out a lot easier. So I'm gonna do that again. So that's definitely coming again soon. But I'm not gonna be doing a whole lot until the shutdown is over. The next big show for me, whether I have the car or not, is November 1st in Jackson, Mississippi. It's a VFW car show for the homie that got me into the car game. He talked me into getting the Scat Pack, well, Hellcat. And Hellcat wasn't available in Europe at the time when he and I were there. So I'm supporting him and his endeavors. So you'll see that soon. November 1st, Jackson, Mississippi. Stay tuned.